This is the perfect meditation to make the person on your mind miss you so much and come running back. While listening, visualize your person and listen to this 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Now let's begin. Everything and everyone is reminding them of me now. No matter what they are doing, no matter who they are with, they are always thinking about me. My phone is literally overflowing with messages from them right now. They love me still. They never want to leave me. Our relationship is better than ever, and we're happier than ever. They look for me in everyone they meet. They want me back now. They ask me to be together again now. They realize that they need me back right now. I am thankful that they literally text me asking me to hang out with them now. I am grateful and thankful that they sent me a paragraph admitting their wrongdoings and begging me to be with them now. I am super thankful that they still have very strong feelings for me now. They want me so bad and can't take it anymore. They want me so much that they are willing to do anything to have me back. They regret what they said to me now. They want to be with me so bad it's crushing them. They are waiting for me now. They don't want to let me go. They are immune to letting me go. I am eternally thankful that they are contacting me now. I am eternally thankful that they are loving me. I am eternally thankful that they are missing me now. I am eternally thankful that they have come back to me. I am eternally thankful that they are attracted to me with spectacular speed. I am eternally thankful that they can't move on from me. I am grateful that they are scared of losing me. I am grateful that they are unwilling of letting me go. I am grateful that they have reached out to me now. I am grateful that they love me more than ever now. I am grateful that they apologize to me now. I am grateful that they realize that I am the only one for them. I am grateful that they are immune to losing feelings for me now. I am grateful that they are loyal to me now. They are messed up if they are unable to be with me. I am grateful that they are interested in me and are obsessed with me now. I am thankful that they are begging to call me now. I am thankful that they are begging to speak to me now. I am thankful that they are begging to see me now. I am thankful that they are begging to hang out with me now. I am thankful that they are begging to date me now. I am thankful that they realize that I am the one they love the most. I am thankful that they changed into a better person for me now. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, I am thankful they are begging to see me now to affirm If you would like the sleep version of this meditation, you can find it on my Patreon linked below. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you need help manifesting love, try my Ultimate Obsessed Love Spell by clicking the link down below or heading to joybyjanell.com. Thank you for watching, and click on this next meditation for more.